Well, so we are here at the MG stall, and we've got one of the biggest showstoppers. As you can see, a lot of people interested in the new MG Cyberster or Cyberster Roadster. It's got 2 seats, and it's got these fancy doors, scissor type doors, which open all the way up. Now, this car's specs are slightly out, so it gets a 77 kilowatt hour battery, which only has a thickness of 110 millimeters, which makes it one of the most dense battery packs. And we also know that this car does 0 to 100 in a shade over 3 seconds, less than 4 and a little more than 3 seconds, which makes it a very strong performance-oriented car. If you look at the wheels, it gets completely disc brakes, and currently it's running on Pirelli P0s, which are racing tires, and this means that this car is clearly aiming for performance-oriented buyers. Now, the interior of this car, they've got 3 screens instead of the usual 2, and a lot of other fancy gadgets and gizmos. Details like the range still hasn't come out, and details like the pricing is still very sketchy, but we expect it to be priced from around rupees 60 lakhs when it goes on sale. No news from MG when it will be on sale, but we should expect it to go on sale from May or June, and the pricing is expected to start from around rupees 60 lakhs. A lot of crowd over here, even though it's only the media day, so you can expect even bigger crowd when the regular days open up for the public. And as I said, this is going to be one of the biggest showstoppers at this year's Auto Expo. It looks really fancy in red, and also another shade of yellow is there. If you want to know more about this car and also follow us for all the Auto Expo details, please log on to our website timesdrive.in, and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks guys for watching. Now enjoy some visuals of the Cyberster.